Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of May 1st through the 7th. I cannot believe it's already May, but it is, so here we are. And I decided this month I'm going to be doing floral themes. And I wanted to start with this floral that I purchased at Dollar Tree several, I don't know, year or two ago. I've had this in my collection for a while. So it's these Crafter Square stickers that were kind of like the chalkboard stickers. Everybody was buying them and I, in no exception, I bought a bunch of them. So what I thought I would do is use this particular one with all of the kind of purple themed stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and use these stickers to decorate my planner. I'm gonna, I do have this little sprig of purple flowers as well. I think I might try to incorporate. I'm not sure. It's kind of delicate and I don't know if it'll really transfer really well within the planner layout, but I would love to have it in there. I think that would look really cool. So I'm still gonna think about that. And then I do plan on using this chalkboard sticker paper that comes from the Dollar Tree as well. So I've used this before and I really like it. It's very, can you come off? Come, open, open. So it comes with 2 sheets. So I'm planning on actually using this as my stickers, like my base paper, and then probably using white ink. Okay. So, and then I have a bunch of these chalkboard stickers that I never use. I never use these. So I went ahead and pulled them out just so I could potentially use them in this spread, because if I am going to use them, it will be in this type of spread. Now I am on a crunch. I have to work fast. I cannot dilly-dally. So this is going to be quick and easy. Get it done. Get it done, Crystal, because I do not have a lot of time. So the other stickers I'm going to pull out are other stickers that I bought at the Dollar Tree. They are these stickers here, so I figured I could use these in the spread as well. So I'm going to, first I think I'm going to cut something for the side panel. I already have this page. Oh, look at that. I've already used this for something else. So I'm like, oh, maybe I can use this strip. And it looks like it's going to be the perfect size. So I'm going to just get my cutter out. Again, I cannot diddly-dally. No diddly-dallying. I've got to, I just recorded my planning in my planner video that I will be posting tomorrow. And I have, in that video, you will see that I have a very important lunch plans that I have to get to. And so I have to get this done before I leave because I don't want to be late for that. And it is a little bit of a drive. So I do have to get going. So let me measure this out. I think I need to cut a little bit more of this off. So let me just trim this just a little bit more. Plus it's extremely crooked. And then I'm not going to be able to find my line. So let's do it from here. I'm going to put a sticker there anyway, so it's not going to matter. So I will let you know that I was debating whether or not to do this spread because I feel like the darkness of this is not going to be good. I feel like it's going to be kind of dark because of the black stickers. But I've had these in my I've had these particular stickers in my collection for a really long time, and I just feel like I have to use them. And I think today, just for purposes of time, I'm going to kind of put down some base stickers, and then have the sticker time be more decorative. So again, this is a quick and dirty, guys. I'm sorry if that bothers you, but so I think I'm just going to kind of do just a line of these stickers on the top here. So I'll make it a little bit more symmetrical than I typically do. Again, I think that just makes it a little bit easier not to have to think about all the different designs and where am I to put stuff, and it's just quick and easy. And hopefully the editing of the video will be quick and easy as well. And then if you guys want me to, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a planning in my planner video for this one. I don't know if you guys are enjoying those. I think a couple of you are. I know a couple of you have said you're enjoying them. So, okay, so there's that. And then I think I like the round stickers, but I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll use a couple of these. I'm going to use just a couple of these, not a lot of them. That's not where I wanted that one. That's not where I wanted that. So yeah, see, I've already I've done a black and white themed sticker themed once, and it's still to this day kind of one of my favorite ones. And it was weird. It's interesting because it was I was sick one week. I did like a sick week sticker or a spread, and it was all black and white, and it was literally like I think it took me like, I don't know, like 10 minutes, because it was like I just needed to get it done to add something to my thing. And I actually, to this day, it's still one of my favorite, still one of my favorite ones. Okay. I think I'm going to change it up. Why do I always do this to myself? I'm going to change this up. I'm going to move this down here, because I just feel like it's a lot right there. So I'm just going to move every other one down. And I don't know about you guys, but I love Dollar Tree stickers. I love them. I mean, look how well these pull up and they stick back down again. Oops. As I say that, I ripped it. That was my fault. I ripped the page. It went too fast. Okay, so let's put this down here. I think, oh wow, that is so crooked. Let's make that not as crooked as that. Okay, that's better. So I think at this point, I want to add in some of these and stuff. So honestly, guys, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go straight into sticker time. So it's sticker time. thought I was done with my purple phase, but apparently I wasn't. As I was adding these stickers in, I was like, I can't just do the black. It's just not working for me. So I had to add some pops of purple. I feel like it's a lot of stickers, but I don't feel like I'm probably going to write a lot of information in the black stickers. I think I'll use those more for visual stickers. It's interesting because this sticker says all you need is love, and that's probably one of my least favorite quotes. So I kind of think it's funny that I'm putting it in here because I'm like, I don't really even like that quote, but I really like the sticker, so it is what it is. And I did use a couple of these stickers, but it doesn't feel like they really work. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's working. So I am going to just call this done. I actually like how it turned out, for being really quick and easy and done. So, yeah, I really like how I did the little lists, the to-do lists, kind of adding a different little pop in there. So anyway, I'm going to call this done because I got to get this edited and uploaded so I can get to my lunch. So thank you so much for joining, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you again soon. Bye for now.